Alright, we made it to Hendrix College in Conway, Arkansas. It's a little before 12. The game doesn't start till 1. So we just got here, just scoping out the campus. Buddy's trying to find a bathroom. Just gonna walk around and then I'll go back to the car, get my seat. The girls were here. I think they went inside. Sorry if you can hear crunching, I'm eating mint. Girls are in that building, I don't know what they're doing. So, this is the field they're gonna play on today. No. I think my husband's seeing if the bathrooms are open over there.
Oh, yes. They should be.
Yes, I hope.
We don't have them under the stadium, but in the building we do.
Like the building that's attached to the stadium?
The stadium ends right here, and then there's a courtyard in the building right behind there.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
It'll be open?
I'm going there. It should be, but
okay.
I'm going now, so
okay.
if I see them all out of...
Yeah. Oh, this is a swimming pool. Did you see that pool?
Some of these girls were here from the UHSP.
Look at this. This is from Afghanistan?
Right here.
Oh. Alright. Sorry. Just took a quick bathroom break.